part 3, and today I would like to share with you a story that how the literature has changed, how the literature changed our life in the society. So first of all, I would like to share with you the definition of the literature, that what is the literature. Seriously, the literature, the simple definition, the literature is the mirror of society. Simply, if we get it, that how it is a mirror of society, what the mirror shows. Mirror shows that you are a reflection, that what is what you are actually. So the literature is also the same thing. The English writers, the Sindhi writers, as well as the Urdu writers, they used to write the reflection of the society, what is happening in the society, what the society is bearing, or what the problems which society faces. So today I would like to share with you a simple drama. The name of that drama is Dr. Faustus. And Dr. Faustus is a very much famous and worldwide drama in which it is also taught in the European countries as well as in the Asian countries to the English department. So in the Dr. Faustus, it is complete. So I would like to share with you a common example that what the Dr. Faustus is. Dr. Faustus is personally a doctor. He is a doctor of just like a theologist. He is a theologist in which he is very much expert in his department. He is very much extraordinary. He is out of the world in his department. But the thing is that we are the human beings, and what the problem which we face that we need more. We need more. Same tragedy is happening with the Dr. Faustus. How he is behaving, that I must be the better theologist. I must be the better than the others. The theologist is just like nothing in front of me. I want more. So after that he learned the necromancy. Necromancy is just like in which he has learned a lot of magic, in which he used that magic in the just like a negative way. After that he sees or he faces or he behaves just this is just like nothing to me. I want more. I want more. So this is just like the mirror of society. In this, Christopher Marlowe, who is the writer of this drama, he gives the reflection of society. We also face the same thing. We are just like habitual of more and more things. If someone is rich, he wants more. That the people are full of desires, people are full of wishes. Same like Dr. Faustus is the man which is known as the pride. He combines himself that I am the God. Why the God created all the human beings? Why don't I create? So this is just like a near about the just like we used to say just like the hypocrisy, and after that the Lucifer, Mephistopheles, which were the just like a two big evils or the devils. They used to offer him that we will give you the 24 years and whatever you have to do, you can do. So this is just like the offer. Same like in our society, people, they used to hire us, they used to give us a lot of time, they used to give us the rupees, they used to give us every pleasure of the life, that we will give you this thing, just do our work. So same like Dr. Faustus is doing all this. He enjoys the 24 years of the life. He enjoys every luxury life. He enjoys every single thing. The main quotation or the main line which I would like to share with you, that Dr. Faustus is saying that people are die one day. Why don't we enjoy the life? So this was the main line which Dr. Faustus was believing in. Same like the Christopher Marlowe, I would like to end this drama. In the end, I would like to give you the theme. That the theme was that what is the theme, that people are full of desires. We don't believe that this is okay for me, or this is enough for me, but we want more. If someone has a car, he needs a more luxury car. If one has a bungalow, he needs more. If one has a flat, he will think that I must have a hotel. So this is that people must be happy with his desires. So in the end, I would like to suggest you that the writers must read the writers, what they are showing. They are showing the reflection of the society. English writers, they shows the English literature. The Sindhi writers, most of the people have the common thinking that they are just nothing. They imitate, they copy some kind of lines from the other people, but we have to check them, we have to analyze them. The writers have the main thing also, that they teach us the critical analysis. Critical analysis, most of the people, most of the critical analysis is only one thing that we have to get, or we have to take out the negative points only, but this is not the main. In the critical analysis we are come to know that what are the positive and what are the negative outcomes of the story, of the novel or of the drama. So in the end I would like to suggest you that read all the stories which are close to your heart, make their habit, and inshallah you will learn a lot.